Hello everyone. Market has just closed, so you can see all the charts and whatever markings I made during the day to my charts in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now quickly let me show you what were the levels we planned before market and how they worked and what decisions we made during the day based on the market movement. So first, this is the Nifty chart. Let me go to the 15 minutes. So on 15 minutes, our plan was this. This was like last month high. We thought of going long only above this particular price. If you see Nifty, it opened above, it went even little high, and yeah, basically around this price was the last month high. So it went little higher than that, and while closing, it was unable to close strongly above that line. You can see all the 15 minutes candle, they were just closing below that line. So it was not giving any chance to enter long. Let me take you to the 5 minutes chart where we entered long. So on 5 minutes chart with the same line, you can see it was taking resistance from the same line almost like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Almost at the fifth time, it tried to break that area, and this is the area we had to enter the call. 18,650 call, we entered around 53 rupees, I believe, 50 rupees change. And once it broke this area, so our thinking was this, as it was trading in a very narrow range, continuously taking resistance at this level, we thought there will be 2 or 3 nice Bahubali candles in Nifty once this level has been taken out. See, everyday market is unique. It won't move as we expected. We should adjust ourselves to how it moves. So it didn't give such a huge candles what we expected. It gave just only one nice green candle, and thereafter again it started basing, came back to this area. You see what is this area? This is the area where it broke. It came back exactly to this area. It took support, and from there it started moving up. Somewhere around this area, the price which we entered has become almost double. That 50 rupees change has become almost 9900 rupees. So Nifty trade has given good profit. But we made one loss trade in Bank Nifty. Before that, let me see what will be the levels for tomorrow. Now, as we are like very close to all-time high in Bank Nifty as well, there will be no nearby supply areas here. Let me go back to the monthly chart just to show you where is the all-time high. Let me put a line over there. So if I place the cursor, the all-time high is 1800, 887. 887, just around 100 change points away from our market. We need to see from the current market, we need to see if it will be taken out tomorrow or in couple of days. So for tomorrow, what should be the plan? Let me go back again to the 15 minutes. This is the 15 minutes chart. Tomorrow, if price sustain above this level, if you see any opening and if the price come back here, this is where we can go long. So if the price open above this high and if it come here, this is where we can go long. If it open in between here, we'll go back to the 5 minutes chart. So on 5 minutes, we have two demand areas. We all know we ideally like to enter at the lower end. What if the price come to the first demand and if it start going back? So if that is the case, we need to see what kind of candlesticks it is forming here at the first demand zone. If you see any bullish patterns which we discussed earlier, that is where we enter long. If it go below, this is another area where we can enter some more calls, and we'll place stop loss below this swing low. Yeah, so that will be the setup. Again, once again, if it go open like above previous high, wait for it to come back to this level. And if you see markets taking support, this is where we can go long. If it opens somewhere in between, we'll try to enter at this level. Or if it starts bouncing back with some nice candlestick patterns over here, that is also one area where we can go long. To go short, we should be a bit careful because we don't know from which area it will start bouncing back again. See, below this low, one can try to enter put, but the problem is this is small gap area. maybe bank Nifty can come to this level and it can start going up. To go short, according to me, at least it has to go below 18,600 level. That is where we can go long for this 18,530 levels or something like that. So that is about Nifty plan for tomorrow. Again, during the day, we'll see how the market gives the movement and we'll plan trades accordingly. If you keep listening to these videos and if you see the setup decisions which we are making during the day, you will understand even if any level is not posted before the market, you will understand how to trade over a period of time. So, and let's go back to the Bank Nifty. We made one loss trade in Bank Nifty. I'll tell you the reason why we made this trade and why it didn't work. So before market, the plan was this. If market open above, it can go till there. And even if I go to the 5 minutes, there is nice supply zone within this 15-minute supply zone in deep inside. So this is the supply area around 4400, 450 level. So our planning was this. Once if it go above this area, we thought like it can go till 44, 450. As expected, there was a gap up, and in the first candle itself, it came back to this previous high, and we thought in no time it will go and touch this level because Nifty also giving you very strong bullish indication. When both the indices are showing one side, one direction, we'll be little confident. So we aggressively entered this in first 3 minutes itself. So we had to buy the call at very high premium. I believe that was 44,300, around 144 we entered. And there immediately we have seen the price moving to 155 somewhere like that. And thereafter the price came back again to the previous high. This was some crucial area. So if Bank Nifty has to maintain the bullish view, it should not go below previous high. So what it did, it was continuously taking support at the previous high. I said like to exit if you see any strong red candle closing below previous high. This is what I was talking about. So the moment you see any such red candle below previous high, this was some important area. It was supposed to hold this, but it didn't hold. So one would have exited Bank Nifty trade in this candle. But personally for me, I don't feel like coming out from the Bank Nifty trade because see this complete area will be treated as a demand area. This is not breaking it. It is not closing below. So I thought maybe from this area it can bounce, but it was not bouncing. We are seeing small bounce again that is getting sold into. So again, it started coming back. So here again, the problem is maybe Bank Nifty can come here and it can start going up, or maybe it can go deep inside these two zones. Maybe it can start bouncing here. See, here our thinking was this. We thought anyways this demand area has been broken. Now we mark this trend line. This is what I said in the chart as well. If you see any candles bouncing from the first demand area, that is where we'll enter long. Or if you see any indecisive candle around this area and then green candle, that is where we go long. Or at any point, whenever Bank Nifty break this trend line, that is where we'll go long. You can clearly see, I believe we posted this before that has been taken out, somewhere like this. And we have seen the price has been taken out. There was some nice bounce. It went to the previous high. It took resistance over there. And if you see exactly, it came to the earlier swing low. And from there, again, it started bouncing back. Again, at previous high, it took some resistance. And here, I put something in the chart on 15 minutes that there is a chance W pattern can get formed. So this is what I was talking. Oh, yeah, this is what I posted in the group as well. So this is what we were expecting. When market was below previous high, I said once it break that previous high. So this was the W pattern. So market was here. I said the moment it break this area, it can go till this supply, like to make the W pattern. But only thing is we don't have enough time to give market to go till that level. But still it broke that level and it made some high. This is what happened in Bank Nifty. Now let us see what will be the levels for tomorrow. So for tomorrow, again, only if you see any pullback from this area, that is where we can go long. I mean, if you see any indecisive candle and then green candle, we'll give a try to go long with the stop loss below this. And if you see market going above 44,500, that is where we'll go long. So today plan was also same thing, like to go short around this area, and if this breaks, that is where we'll go long. So the same thing for tomorrow as well. Let me also, tomorrow is also expiry, so we'll see how and when it will give the movement. Let me remove all these tools on 5 minutes. So tomorrow, by any chance, if you get entry in between these two demand areas, we can go long. Or if you see price coming here, and if you see any indecisive candle and then red candle, we'll short there for this target. And if the market go above, that is where we go long. The plan is more or less same as we planned for today, but the price was just hovering here. So the levels what we planned for today will be the same for tomorrow as well. So that is all about Nifty and Bank Nifty. Thank you so much for watching.